Looking for the best flour sifters? In this video we look at some of the top 3 flour sifters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Epica, Bellemain Stainless Steel 3-cup flour sifter. Pros: crank handle. Easy to turn. Made from quality stainless steel to prevent rusting. Includes measurements on the side for 1 cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups. Great value for the price. Cons: sifter does not have a lid to ensure the flour does not shoot out the top. Bottom line: a flour sifter just like grandma's that is both beautiful and practical. At number 2. Norpro, battery operated sifter. Pros: sifts quickly with ease. Nice larger capacity at 5 cups. Made from a BPA-free material with a stainless steel mesh screen for sifting. Screen is easy to remove for cleaning. Cons: there is a gap between the cup and the screen, which sometimes allows flour to go through the device without getting sifted. Bottom line: a super fast sifter option for people who bake a lot or have problems turning a crank on other sifters. At number 1. Natizo, Stainless Steep 3-cup flour sifter. Pros: gets rid of the flour lumps and helps make your cakes lighter and fluffier. Lid will keep flour from flying all over the kitchen. Also has a bottom cover to allow you to use the sifter for storage in the pantry. Cons: the lids do not always fit very tightly on this sifter. Bottom line: a little more expensive, but this sifter comes with lids to keep the flour in the sifter and allow you to use it for storage. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.